is up, you guys? It's your girl Shanelle.janai from around the way. Hey. You know what? You know what? New hair, new me. New who? What? I know you from where? Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel today. As you can see, I have got this cute bob going, you know. Take a good look at it from every angle though, okay? Okay. So this synthetic wig is actually designed by Vivica A. It's a part of her collection. This is the wig that I'm wearing. I just happen to slay it a little bit more than this pretty lady right here. The style says Korea. If I'm pronouncing that right. If I'm not, excuse me. The color is 99J. It looks like a wine color, a burgundy. Like a burgundy color. Let me see if I can get up close for y'all. So, anyway, I'm going to show you guys how I slayed this wig, how I finessed it, because y'all know I'll be finessing these wigs, man. Y'all know I ain't gonna get into this whole spiel trying to explain myself, because y'all know that I finesse my wigs every time. All I really did was pluck where the baby hair section is. I actually had to cut my own baby hairs. It says that it included baby hair, but I didn't really see that too much. I saw only a little bit. So I made my own baby hairs, and then you'll see me pluck it. But I did not use tweezers. You'll see me use my hands. So whenever you see me doing like this and yanking hair out, I was literally, why can't I say that word? I was literally using my fingers and pulling the hair. That's what you'll see me doing, if you were wondering. Besides that, you'll see me also finessing the baby hairs. Baby hairs will always make something look a little bit more natural. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit that like button as well. See you later.
Pluck.